Hey, you guys. All right, so I am going to show you in this video our teacher graded activities. I'm sending this video. This is going to be the first time we do it like this, and I'm hoping this helps so you guys can save this and refer back to it. Also, you can pause it and go, answer questions if you need to. All right, so first of all, these are all going to be uploaded in Seesaw. So your first step is to make sure you have all of your information for Seesaw, how to get there, how to find it, okay? When you get in there, these will be the only things in there. I'm taking out all activities until these are done, okay? Your first one is going to be your math teacher graded assignment. It's due March 3rd. It's worth 100 points. All right, so what we're going to do in that is just create a fact family, okay? So when you do a fact family, this is your example. We've done it in class. And remember, it's just those three numbers at the top. Do not use 3, 2, and 5. This is your example, okay? But remember, when you turn yours in, you don't have to draw the house. You don't have to do any of that. All you need to do is just do your three numbers at the top. In class, we've had those in circles. So if you just want to do your three circles, however you want to do it. But also use your three numbers and then make sure you've got your addition sentences. Remember, your addition can be flipped around, and then subtraction. So you'll need two subtraction sentences as well. All right. So basically, you're going to get that. Pick those three numbers, do your two subtraction, two addition. It doesn't matter what this is on. You can do it on your whiteboard and then send me a picture. You can do it on a piece of paper, however you want to do it. But however you do it, shoot a picture of it to me in Seesaw and do it under this one right here with the math, okay? All right, this is how you'll be graded. Make sure it's in the kid's own handwriting. You've got to pick those three numbers for their fact family. And remember, you've got to have two addition facts and two subtraction facts, okay? So that's how it will be graded. All right, so then your next one is going to be this one. This is a writing sample. This is due March 3rd. This one is worth 50 points. And so when you get there, you're going to see these pictures. This is your who, your what, your where, and your when. And all you're going to do is write a sentence to match these pictures, okay? So this is the example right here. On a sunny day, Molly ate strawberries outside on a blanket. So you can see that it was on a sunny day, and it's Molly, and she ate strawberries, and she's outside, obviously, on a blanket. Okay, so when you're doing these, I apologize, I had to stop in the middle there, but so I don't know if I'm repeating myself, but when you're doing these, you are allowed to, as the learning coach, to, for example, write the person's name if you want to. So you could write, like we use the word Molly or the name Molly, so you could write Molly. You could write the word strawberries. You could write the word basket or blanket or however you wanted to do it. And you could write sunny if that's what they wanted, okay? So what I would do is ask the kids, what is your person's name? And then you write it, okay? What are these? They'll say strawberries. So you can have them help you because they know that beginning blend, but you can have them kind of help you, but you write the word strawberries. Then you would ask them, what do you want to use from this picture? And they'll say basket or blanket or whatever, and you write that word there. And then sunny, okay? So sunny, so you write the word there. Then it's up to them. They write everything else. Even if it's spelled incorrectly, it is okay. We are not grading on spelling. What we're grading on is that that sentence structure, the capitals at the beginning, the finger spaces, and the period. And can they put all of these words that you just wrote into a sentence? Okay, so your goal is to have a full sentence, like, for example, on a sunny day, Molly ate strawberries outside on a blanket. Do not use that sentence, okay? They're obviously going to use strawberries. They are obviously going to use some of the same words, but don't use that same sentence, okay? When you're done, take a picture of the sentence and send it to me. If they want to draw a picture, that's perfect, totally fine. When they get done with everything, take a picture and send it to me in Seesaw, okay?